In this video, I am going to give you an overview of Wacom One Pen Tablet, which is widely used in creative industry for photo retouching and graphic designing. So without losing any more time, let's quickly start the video. Wacom One Pen Tablet provides you the natural pen experience with its responsive, ergonomic, pressure-sensitive pen. It mimics the natural way in which you sketch, draw, paint and edit photos. It's really easy to install as it connects through USB. The pen it provides doesn't need any batteries and it's lightweight as well, so use it as long as you want without any worry. It can be used with any pen enabled software like Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, etc. The tablet is bicolored in red and black and it comes in two sizes, small and medium. The model number of the small tablet is CTL472 and it weighs 250 grams only. Its dimension is 6 inches by 3.5 inches. The medium size tablet is called CTL672 and it weighs 432 grams. Its dimension is 8.5 inches by 5.3 inches. Both tablets have a resolution of 2560 lines per inch. Coming to its system requirement, it is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 PC, as well as with the Apple system with OS X 10.10 or later. You will also get 3 standard replacement nibs and a nib removal tool with it. CTL472 costs 4,699 rupees and CTL672 costs 8,099 rupees. But due to its current limited time deal on Amazon, it will cost you much less. I have provided the best buy price link of Amazon in the description below. Hope you liked the video. Bye and see you in my next video.